I'm going to show you how to make a werewolf transformation sound. Now for this one, I've recorded 3 sources. My own voice, cabbage for all the bones, crunchy moments, orange for all the splatter sounds and bloody juice. Let's go to my session here. Got the best parts of the recordings. Cabbage. Now this is already pitch shifted, 7 semitones. Orange source files. These entrail sounds I'm sending to a separate group so that I can process them separately. Compressor, I've got a saturator plugin. This plugin is called Decapitator, appropriately named. Now, saturation gives the sounds more weight and more grit, much more cinematic in a way. And it's a pretty aggressive setting. Without it, it makes them more punchy. A multiband compressor, some low end and some mids, and a multiband at the end as well. Now let's go for the werewolf voice.
Please, no.
Wonderful voice acting.
Please!
Not much processing happening to the voice until the first bursts of transformation is happening. In this clip, it's automated to gradually pitch down. So here also I've done this envelope pitch shift to create some movement. I've used 3 plugins, a pitch shifter, a morpher, which morphs 2 sounds together to make it a single sound. Wonderful tool, especially for voice stuff. It's morphing with the sound of a pig, a tremolo effect. Big creatures have this tremolo sound when breathing. Like we have a howl and a growl. And lastly, all this is being sent through a reverb, which is like putting all the noises in the same room or making it more atmospheric. Before I start to layer all these recordings together, I like to picture the scene. That mental image helps decide how the layers fit together and how the sound evolves. We can take a listen to the final result.
Please. No. Please. Please.
Pretty gross. And that's it. See you next time.